A circuit judge orders the City of Sarasota and its police department to stop forcing panhandlers out of public places. The decision comes after the arrest of a homeless man last month, just days after the city repealed a relevant ordinance. SNN local news reporter Amber Stidham explains the injunction and what it means for the city.
With that order signed on Friday, the City of Sarasota is strictly prohibited from arresting, citing, or even interfering with anyone holding signs on the street or the median. Standing in the middle of a street median with a sign may sound dangerous, but it cannot be stopped. Circuit Judge Rick DeFuria ordered the City of Sarasota and its police department to stop forcing panhandlers out of public places.
The recommendation from Judge DeFuria, his order, was that 23-1 would not be enforced, that it's a constitutionally protected activity for an individual to hold a sign on a sidewalk or along a median of a highway.
Arresting, citing, or interfering in any way with individuals on sidewalks or in street medians who are holding signs is now strictly prohibited, regardless of the message on the sign. This temporary injunction comes after the arrest of a homeless man in January, an arrest made after the panhandling ordinance was repealed. American Civil Liberties Union Legal Chair Michael Barfield agrees with the order, saying it's their right.
The ruling reflects the concern the court had over individuals' rights being protected, in this case the homeless, who are least able to protect themselves and assert their constitutional rights. So it's a victory for the Constitution.
An exception to the order may be made if the individual holding the sign is unsafe or obstructing traffic, but that's no guarantee. Any exception would require thorough documentation and witnesses noted.
The officer who takes actions is facing the possibility of being held in contempt of court based on the judge's order. So I think officers are going to be extremely reluctant to take any action regarding individuals holding signs along the roadways or in the median.
This injunction will remain in effect until further notice. This is a temporary injunction, so it could change in the future, but for now, it will remain in effect. Reporting in Sarasota, I'm Amber Stidham, SNN Local News.
The Sarasota Police Department continues its internal investigation into the homeless man who was arrested for panhandling after the ordinance was repealed.